Alright. Hi, I'm Kaylee. Welcome to Sweet Dreams. Is that rain?
No, we should either go to the park and then pretend to shoot the thing.
In between. Throw Peggy over here. Go.
Dun, 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 dun. Welcome to another episode of Sweet Treats. I'm Estelle and
I'm Kaylee. Today we are on a beautiful island called the Bird Island. And we have had a problem. Yeah, show them. This is Peggy. He and his fellow friends have come to invade our island and steal our eggs. So today's episode is about a Angry Bird panna cotta, which contains no eggs because someone stole them.
so we went to watch the Angry Bird movie, which came out quite some time ago. It was okay.
Okay, let's get to the panna cotta recipe, which contains no eggs once again. Everybody keep on getting mad at this cookie.
To get started, you need to soak some gelatin in some milk. We used powdered gelatin, but leaves gelatin are better. So,
Leaves gelatin. Yeah.
leaves.
Just pluck one of these things that says gelatin on them. Yeah, just use that. Okay. Next, heat your cream, milk, and sugar on the stove until it slightly bubbles. Like you see tiny bubbles on the side. Just wait.
If your gelatin is already like solid, hardened,
Absorb all the milk.
absorbed of the milk, then you pour into your mixture. I mean, into your milk and cream, sugar mixture. Then just stir it and
Until the gelatin melts. Otherwise, stir it overheat until it melts. Then add in some vanilla to make it a vanilla panna cotta. It would be nicer to have vanilla beans, but I didn't want to buy them. Okay, so what we've done here is this unbreakable, unopenable vanilla thing is not
Okay, I'm
coming
gonna try
out.
open it
So we boil some hot water and yeah, careful. You're right.
yeah, fine.
Okay, so now what
You're
we
gonna
have
use that.
done is that.
Okay, I'm gonna try to open it.
Yeah, so actually putting in hot water actually works. Woo! So divide the mixture into 4. Leave 1/4 of it white. We're gonna dye that later. And then dye that. The remaining 3/4, just divide that into 2 and dye 1 part red, the other part green. Do more red.
This guy's evil.
This guy's evil. Wait,
What's his face?
You phony. The quarter of the mixture that you have set aside, divide that into 2 and dye 1 part black. Leave the other one white. So, let me explain. Piggy, for you. What we're doing is 2 type of animals. Yeah. So 1 bird and 1 piggy, of course. And you need, like the eyes and the pupils and
You're poking his eye.
the bird's beak's supposed to be yellow, but we didn't want to, and she thought that the panna cotta was yellow enough. So it still looks like a bird. It's just, yeah.
Pour the red panna cotta mixture into some glasses and do the same with the green. Frigid! I put the white and black into different piping bags and just put them inside the fridge with the panna cotta and the cups here. Once the panna cotta is set, take the white and black panna cotta
What?
piping bag. Look up! Ooh, cat!
I'm pretty sure we've done it 10 times. once the white and black... Wait, you're not here! You're trying to catch a cat. No.
It's a cat! Take the white and black panna cotta in the piping bags and just pipe onto the red and green panna cotta in the cups. So here's the template.
Yeah, you can just figure it.
Here's the template. Okay. And just follow it.
We should talk like how.
You went away!
We got nervous by the crazy neighbor.
No!
So for
tissue. There's no tissues in Angry Bird Island. Bird Island.
You know that guy who keeps on blowing his nose? Okay, so for red, he looks like a red bird and he has bushy eyebrows. Just make a thick eyebrow on either side. And here's a picture. It has like a little line halfway down its face. That's like, I don't know, another part of its body or something. I tried to mimic that by drawing a black line and it looked like he was sad. So I took it off, and to get that layer, because our gelatin didn't fully absorb all the milk, it was kind of squishy, soft when we added in, so it kind of formed like a more thicker layer on the top. Just kind of a tiny bit of the panna cotta, so the bottom is slightly lighter, and it's pretty good. And you add in the eyes, like the eyeball.
That's creepy.
And the pupil. Yeah, pupil, I just use a chopstick, or you can use candies or whatever black stuff to look like.
Okay, so here's the picture of the pig first. This is basically doing his eyebrows, his nostrils, his smiley face, his eyes. So that's basically it.
Except there's no ears.
Yeah.
Oh, also for the pig, because I did the whole thing black actually. So what I had to do was, I did that thing upside down. Anyway, so this thing was black, and then the whole thing was black with like a giant nose. So I took a chopstick and dig into it. So I created a nostril. Same with the other side.
So here's the final product, and we're gonna eat it.
I'm gonna start with the eye. Yeah, there's an eyeball in my eye.
Ew.
Top layers is a bit chewy.
Yeah. But inside is fine. We are gonna continue eating this, and we'll see you next week. Bye.
Let's just continue eating it.
Why not so red?
Okay, so
bye.
thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Smash that like button. We have videos every once in a while when I feel like editing it. Don't forget to watch the movie, because we're in here right now and it feels so windy. You know, there was an ambulance that just passed by. I think one of the piggies got hurt.
Anyway, we'll see you next week, or
Not. Probably not.
bye.
Oink, oink. Yeah, okay. So he said subscribe, like, and don't comment. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Hey guys, Kaylee here from the Sweet Treats channel. Today we're going to make something all Minecraft geeks will love. We are making a Dan TDM cake.
Squishing the cake.